Hey, what's up guys? I've got something today I'm very excited to bring to you. Today I'm going to be unboxing a prototype of the Murphpad acrylic case created by ShandonCodes. This is something that's been in the work for about 2 months now over on my website. Sorry for the shameless self-plug. Over at kirballskeys.com, you can pick one of these up. Let's take a look at the product page. So this is available in 3 different plate colors. You've got a black, a white, or a clear plate to match the aesthetic that you desire. There is 8 acrylic layers. There's a 1.5 millimeter acrylic switch plate available in the colors that we discussed a moment ago. There is a 5-degree typing angle with the feet. You can opt to not use the feet if you don't want a typing angle. The photos here are of the clear and the black versions. Let's go ahead and pop into this guy. We've got our X-Acto knife here. So let's get into this thing. I also have some completed ones that are the final version that I will show you after we get into this. I have one of each color to show you guys. So I believe this one is already assembled. Yeah, there is the plates that came with it stock. Got extra stock screws, and here is the case. So this one, they have so the screws are a little loose. I need to tighten those up. But so the main changes that have happened between this prototype version and the regular version is that this left side has been shored up a little to make a little more room for everything to fit better. You can see your OLED through here. I've got both of my rotary encoders here on this Murphpad. Let's take a look at what the final versions, if you do purchase one, are going to be. So, oh no, I think I just broke that plate. Okay, maybe don't put pressure on it. But these are a clear version here. So you've got a clear plate file, you've got a white plate, and you've got a black plate. So these are available now. They're ready for shipping if you want to pick one up. I will be building one on stream soon. I've got a friend that is getting one as a gift. I'm going to be building one for Dow. If you don't know who Dow is, that is Gazoo. So thanks for being here, guys. I look forward to getting some of these in you guys' hands and hearing some feedback. Let me know what you think about these cases, and I look forward to hearing from you and seeing you again soon in the next video. Have a great rest of your week.